YDS tutorial! Hello students, it's Aaron here coming to you live from YDS tutorials. Very excited because today I'm going to be showing you how to complete the Dropbox challenge. You'll have to excuse me, I have a bit of a cold, which is why I might sound a little funny. Okay, here we go. Why do you want to install Dropbox? Basically because it's a folder on your computer that is synced up to the internet so that when you come to class and you've maybe done something at home and you put it in your Dropbox folder, it's automatically going to show up on the computers in class. Maybe you do something in class, you go home, you can access the file that you did in class. It's pretty amazing. No matter what computer you're on in the world, you can access these files. So first thing we got to do, ydsdurham.com, that's our website. You've been there before. Go to the Students tab. We are students after all. Here we go. YDS student login. Let's log in, and that's going to take us to our Moodle login page. Moodle is what's going to give us access to all of our courses, what we need to do, maybe assignments, resources for our courses. Okay, your username is your first name followed by the first initial of your last name. So if your name is Michael Jordan, your username would be Michael J. And your password is your last name. In Michael Jordan's case, your password would be Jordan. I don't think Michael Jordan's in any of our classes, but if he were, that is what his password would be. So, moving right along, this is going to take us to our Moodle, our very own Moodle homepage. So that's very exciting. That's where we're going to see what courses we're in. Here we go. I'm enrolled in all these courses at YDS, and on the left here, where we're going to find our Dropbox challenge, if you go to My Profile, and then you view that profile, you're going to see that there's going to be a link to click on, which is going to take us to the Dropbox website, which is going to ask us to install it. So that is what we're going to do. You're going to have something here. You're going to see your information down here. You're going to have a little sentence here, and you're going to be able to click on the word here to view the folder. Okay, you click on that, and that's going to take you to the Dropbox website. A very exciting time. And we're going to click Create an Account. First name, again, enter your name. In this case, my name is Test Student. Email, teststudent@gmail.com. You want to use whatever email it is that you use. Password, maybe you want to use the same password you used for the YDS Moodle. In this case, mine is student. Okay, now don't go hacking into my thing. Okay, here we go. Welcome to Dropbox. These are all the things they want us to do. I know about Dropbox. I don't need to take the tour. If you're interested, take the Dropbox tour, see what it can do. Next, install Dropbox on your computer. Let's do that. Now, magically, a download link is going to pop up. There it is. And we save that file. Okay? Let's save that file. Boom. Save file. Very cool. Then after you click Save File, it should download and show up in a window, something like this. And you just click on that nice little link. Maybe if you're using Chrome, it'll show up over here. But you just click on that .exe executable file. It's going to ask you, do you want to run that? And yes, you do. You do want to run it, because that's what's going to install Dropbox on your computer. And we're going to be ready to go. Here we go. Welcome to the Dropbox setup. Thank you, Dropbox. I'm going to install you. Okay, I skipped a bunch of steps there, but they're very easy to follow steps that Dropbox will take you through to install it on your computer, and eventually you'll get to this screen. That's it. Done. Finish. Here we go. Open my Dropbox folder now. Finish. And it's going to open up your Dropbox folder, your brand new, shiny Dropbox folder. Here it is. And it's opening up, and you're going to see it already put a couple of things in there for you. I don't really want those things. I'm just going to delete them. Okay, they're not that important. Okay, so delete those. Getting started information, if you want to read that, you can. Okay, that's all right. The most important thing you want to do, though, is you right-click and make a new folder in there. New folder called Extras. Okay, and this is the folder where if you want to work on your file at home and you want to change something in your game, in your graphic, in your video, in your website, whatever, you have this nice folder, extras, where you can change anything you want and come in and have access to it. But we don't want you accessing the original files that we use in class, because we might not be able to get back those original files. So just make a copy of the file you want to use, put it in extras, and then you'll be able to bring it to class. You'll be able to access it in class. Okay, so that's pretty important. Now, when you're done all this, you're all ready to go. X out, and then what I want you to do is go to your email and just send us an email telling us that you've completed the task. So you just go send an email to prizes@ydsportfolio.com. Let me just zoom in a little bit there. Prizes@ydsportfolio.com. In the subject, say Dropbox challenge completed. Yay. And then maybe in the subject, I finished it, easy as pie. All right, and then send that to us. And once we get that, we'll update your YDS portfolio with that Dropbox badge, and you'll have access, and you're going to be ready to go. That's it for me. I hope you followed the tutorial all right, and I will see you in class.